Some mornings you don't need a reason to go, you just need the right boat. This is the Azimut Seadeck 6, and it starts every day at the waterline. Built in Italy, part of a series designed around one idea: less boats standing between you and the sea, lighter build, cleaner lines underneath the deck, less weight to push around, more time actually out here instead of getting here. 3 pod drives tucked under the deck, plenty of push to get up on plane before the afternoon breeze builds. You're past the point and into open water before most people have finished their coffee, running easy at a pace that still lets you talk over the wind. Cockpit drops you right at sea level. Swim platform opens the stern straight to the water. No ladder, no waiting around. 10 steps and you're off the deck and into the water. This is a cockpit built for staying out there, not just passing through. Sun through the whole afternoon. Dinner set up on deck as the light turns gold. Rods rigged and ready if the fish are running. Quiet mornings on battery power alone. No generator hum at anchor. Just water against the hull. Solar panels overhead keep the lights on without asking anything of the tank. A hull built light enough that you feel every mile of open water underneath you, not just watch it go by. Below deck, the cabins are calm and uncluttered, a place to reset between days on the water, not a place you spend your trip. Wake up anchored somewhere quiet, step back up into the light, and you're back on the water again before anyone else on the coast is awake. This isn't a boat you look at on a Saturday. It's a boat you're already on by 8 in the morning, still out there when the light goes gold and the coast turns to silhouette. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.